Hello again everybody. Today I'm gonna show you a pretty cool. It's called the world greatest magic. So let me show you how it's done. So spectator choose a card. I have a blue bicycle tag here. So you choose that one. Queen of clubs. So we place it at the bottom, okay? Place it at the bottom. So that is it. So now in one little snap it changes your back. So look at that. So I will show all the cards for you. So look at all cards. Look at the cards here. Look at all. No, look at. Can you look at all cards? All cards blue except that one thing. I'll shuffle it. So that's your card is. You back it and will place real bit big. So it is one here. So I place the one another one, the another one here, the another one here. So okay. So there is. So there's your card again. Okay. Did you remember what was your card? Okay, alright, guys, it's Queen of Club. So that's your card is? Yeah, that's my card. So I place it back on the deck. So I place your card at the side. And I'll spread it. So no red cards here. No red cards. Actually, your card is changed to three of spades. So this is a really cool trick. So there's the tutorial, and here you have 52 cards and a two paired three of spades. A three of spades of my performance, and place that two. Make sure the red is in the bottom, and you are ready to begin the trick. Spectator choose a card, ace of diamonds. So we place it at the bottom. So we know that your card is facing at the bottom of the red card. So a couple of cards. So you spread it up. So if you say you showing all cards, and all cards is blue, you say except that red. Okay. You say there's her card. So you know there's a three of spades and there's her card. So you separate the three of spades here, and you say you separate. You simply slide that and hold it. So get it and show there's her card. Okay, and place it at the top. And say you're placing your card here. So until you get that card, you only have a one, not a two. Your card. Place it here and show the spectator here. You say the spectator here. Remember that card and place it at the top of the deck. And say in one little snap exchange color card and show all the card is blue, and actually her card is changed to the second time you remember the trip speeds. So so there's another real cool trick. So please leave a comment, subscribe. That's it. I'll see you next time.